Hello everybody, I am Priyanka Kulkarni, Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering at KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur. My field of specialization is electric and hybrid vehicles. As you know that the future automobiles are going to be electrical and hybrid vehicles. Indian government is promoting the manufacture and sale of electric and hybrid vehicles. And already in India, big companies like Tata, Mahindra, Ola, etc. have started manufacturing. And there are several startup companies also which are there to manufacture two-wheelers and three-wheelers. So we find our responsibility to prepare the students to make them industry ready for this electric vehicle industry. And that is why at the electrical engineering department we teach them the theory and lab courses in electrical and hybrid vehicles. So in theory course we teach them the basic principles, the components, the design, the assembly of this performance of these vehicles, and in lab courses they actually have the hands-on experience to design and simulate the different components and subsystems. The results are very encouraging because two of my batches have already done projects. One batch has developed electric bicycle and the other batch has done a research-based project for controlling the PM SM motor. So that's all.